Whenever you're ready.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is Today at Sci-Port. And today we're going to be talking about 6 plant parts. The 6 plant parts that plants and people need. You guys will be familiar with that song once you go and check out the banana slugs. But what we have here today is we've got some instructions so that you guys can go through the instructions with your children and you can show them how to do this program. And this program is all about these parts of a plant. And there are 6 parts to the plant. We're going to use glue, or maybe say a glue stick, a marker, and scissors. And these are going to be all the things that you need for this program today. All right, guys, so I took my scissors and you'll notice that I cut out all of the pieces that were on the activity sheet. And so what you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to assemble these pieces and tape or glue, however you want to stick it to your paper, but that's what you're going to want to do to your paper and get these guys all in order. So you got your roots, so we're looking at something that's going to draw water from the soil. We got leaves, which are going to make the food to give the plant life. And then there's some other parts, and in that handout that you guys can download, there's all the pieces of the plant and what they do. So we definitely encourage that you go through that with your kids. All right, guys, so this is our final portion of the project. And you'll notice how we've got all of our pieces together. We got our roots, stems, flowers, leaves, fruit, and our seeds. So that's everything that a plant needs for life. So this is what your finished product should look like, guys. I hope everything turned out well. See you next time at Sci-Port.